Hey there! Do you often find yourself manually replacing single quotes with double quotes in your code? It can be time-consuming and prone to errors, especially when working on large files or projects. In this video, I'll guide you through a straightforward method to automate this process in Visual Studio Code. By the end of this tutorial, your quotes will be formatted exactly the way you need, effortlessly. Let's dive in and make coding a little smoother. To automatically replace single quotes with double quotes in Visual Studio Code, start by installing the Prettier extension. Open the Extensions view by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus X or clicking on the extension's icon. Then search for Prettier Code Formatter and install it. Next, open the settings by pressing Ctrl plus or navigating to File Preferences Settings. In the Settings search bar, type prettier.singlequote and set the Prettier single quote option to false so that double quotes are used for strings. Finally, search for Format on Save in the settings and enable the editor Format on Save option. Now, every time you save your file, Prettier will automatically replace single quotes with double quotes, making your coding process much smoother. And that's how you can easily replace single quotes with double quotes automatically in Visual Studio Code. If this helped, consider subscribing for more coding tips and tricks. See you in the next video.